Hi, in the video you will overview fuse diagrams, discover fuse box locations inside your car, and learn any fuse and relay assignments. Passenger compartment. Friends, for more technical videos and car wiring diagrams, don't forget to subscribe to carfusetap. Engine compartment. The fuse box is located in the engine compartment near the battery on the left side. Warning: terminal and harness assignments for individual connectors will vary depending on vehicle equipment level, model, and market.